Namaste, I'm Adi Shakti and this is Behind the Asana, and today we are going to be talking about Ujjayi Pranayama, sometimes called Ujjayi Pranayama. In your yoga classes, especially in your vinyasa flow classes, it's very common for teachers to teach Ujjayi Pranayama, and I just wanted to talk a little bit more about the process of the breath, some of the benefits of the practice, and how to properly do the Ujjayi Pranayama. And so we often talk about it in terms of the ocean breath, and so what it is, it's a soft constriction in the back of the throat on the inhale and in the exhale, and it creates a ocean sound, and it sounds like this. And so as you're getting started in the practice, what you can do is you can open your mouth, and sometimes that's helpful to really hear the audible sound. And I like to teach my students, it's like you've just seen something incredibly beautiful, and so it's like a gasp, so it sounds like this. And then as you exhale, you're fogging glass. And so that's what's happening in the process in the throat. But most important, or very important in the practice of the Ujjayi, is that you're actually engaging the core. So usually in the majority of our yoga pranayama or yoga breathing practices, we encourage a soft belly to really allow the diaphragm to go down and for the belly to expand out. But in this particular practice, and this is why we use it with a vinyasa flow, we actually want to stabilize through the core. We want to stabilize the muscles of the front belly and into the low back, because as we're moving in our vinyasa practice, maybe at a faster pace, we want to make sure that that part of the body is stable to keep it nice and safe. Our lumbar spine, our mid back, and our low back can become very vulnerable as we're moving in a yoga practice. So we want to keep engagement there in the belly. So you're actually going to engage, you pull the belly button up and into the spine, you're zipping up through the sides, almost like a corset. You can imagine that you're squeezing in through the belly, and then all of the breath here is actually coming from the chest. So we're not actually having a lot of movement happening in the body. And that way, as you begin to move through your vinyasa flow, your up dogs, your down dogs, and maybe as you're moving your spine into what could be potentially vulnerable situations for the spine, you have that muscular stability. And so the Ujjayi Pranayama, as we begin to inhale and exhale, there are lots of benefits. It's going to keep you accountable. If you're committing to doing an Ujjayi Pranayama breath throughout the practice, it's a sound that you can hear that's going to keep you intimately connected to the breath. And so you hear that inhale, exhale. It's also a heating breath. So as you move into a vinyasa series and your intention is to sweat, your intention is to transform, you want to burn things up, whether that be spiritual things that you're working through, emotional things that you're working through, or calories as well. We're trying to get our body moving. It's going to serve you in increasing the temperature so that you're getting more of that happening for you. And it's just going to help you stay focused. It's a meditation practice of really keeping the attention on the inhale and on the exhale, a nice engaged belly, the sound in the back of the throat, and lots of space and mobility happening in the upper chest and up through the thoracic spine. So thank you so much. That's Ujjayi Pranayama. I'm Adi Shakti. Please like, comment, share, and I'll see you next time on Behind the Asana. Namaste.